What's up, you guys? This is Holdstrong Trader, and I'm going to be doing a quick video trying to show you guys how easy it is to be making $20 an hour, something very simple. Uh, I'm going to show you the power of compounding, of interest, just compounding. And I'm going to show you guys a little bit of strategy on how to do this. I'm going to be applying one strategy that has worked for me for very long as a beginner trader. So something that you guys can use. Hopefully it's very effective for you guys. But beforehand, I'm going to show you guys actually how to do the giveaway. I know a lot of you guys have a lot of questions. So instantstocktrader.com, go straight down to the bottom. I know you guys see this. This is for something else. This is for somebody, for individuals that are trying to learn, that are trying to be a part of the membership. That's $100 a month. If you guys are interested in trading from home, learning how to trade, earning your money, multiplying your funds, we do help you guys. If you guys put in $100 and you make it into $300, we actually pay you out 3 times the amount that you actually made. So we reward you for doing good. Um, Anyways, so going down here, here's the giveaway. So you just scroll down from the main page. Here's the $1,000 giveaway. So I'm making it even more simpler for you guys. Enter the video code, which is here. This is the last video. I'm sorry, the last video code you put in there. This is the new video code that I have for you guys, and I'll post it down below the description for you guys. Here you put your email, and here you put your Bitcoin address. So if you haven't already, if you guys haven't ever used Bitcoin or anything of that sort, there's so many platforms for trading. You do not have to put any money in. You can open up a Coinbase account. The other one, I believe, is what is the other one? I think there's just so many platforms. So well, the one that I do know is Coinbase. That's the main one that I use. Um, I think the other one is crypto. That's like the second biggest one, or the biggest one actually. Crypto.com. You can use that. Make an account with them. It's completely free. You don't have to fund your account to receive funds. So basically, you can create a fake account. You can create multiple accounts. You use the video code here, put your email, and when we announce the winner for the $1,000, we will announce actually the Bitcoin address. So pay close attention to every single video when we post the winner. In this video, I'm not going to be posting the winner. I'm actually going to be posting the winner I think by later tonight or tomorrow morning for both of these videos. So there's 2 different codes that you can use. You can put both codes, your email and Bitcoin address. So that further ado, I think this is pretty self-explanatory. If you have some questions, you guys can always reach out to me on YouTube. You can actually reach out in the platform. We'll be able to help you out, and so on. Yeah. And just so you guys know, Bitcoin addresses. So when you're getting your Bitcoin address, you click on receive, right? That Bitcoin address, there's no way that anyone can steal money from you. And even if you make a fake, whatever, a Bitcoin address, you don't have any funds in there, even better, because like no one can steal from it regardless. It's just so that you receive the funds. So when we share this, and just so you know, we will share this out to the public. Um, so if you are, nervous about getting, that information exposed, don't worry about it. Most likely, if somebody's trying to do anything, they're going to send you funds. So even better. Anyways, so let's get into trading. So I want to show you guys a simple strategy that can make you guys so much money. There is, and I want to basically replicate what I do at certain points of trading. Let's say you have a $200 account. This is how you can go from 200 to $1,000 within like a few days or within a day if you're a really aggressive trader. So you start off with $5, right? You go to Euro GBP. You can kind of see what's going on. What I like to do is I go down here to the candlesticks. I go to Heikinashi. I try to see what's going on right here. It looks like it's still struggling to get out of the zone. Let's see, AUD CAD is still struggling to get out of the zone. Euro GBP. Oh, sorry, I already did that one. AUD versus Japanese yen. Looks like nothing really exciting is going on. Let's see, I already have that one. AUD versus USD. Oh, this is perfect. All right, so we're looking at the 1 minute. Let's go back to the 5 minute. It looks like it's rising. Actually, we're at the perfect time frame. So what we're gonna do is actually, I'm gonna put a 1 minute at the 3 minute. So you see how I just put this one position for $5, right? Simple strategy. I use the Hikinashi candlestick to kind of determine what direction it's truly going. As you guys can see, it's starting to do a reversal. As you guys can see, the MACD is showing that they're kind of split, but this is a perfect indicator that it's starting to have resistance. It's starting to push against you. So first position is $5. The next position, we're going to up it to $10. So this is based off a, let's say a $200 account or a $100 account. Same thing with our traders at instantstocktrader.com. Our membership is $100. You deposit $100 into the platform, so that's already $200, right? But if you make $200 on the platform, we'll pay you out $600. If you guys, all right, so that position I put on $10. All right, so I'll go back to what I was saying. So now that we put $10, we're getting 85% return, right? We're getting $18.50. Technically, if we win this, we get $3.50 in profit. So if we do win, we get $3.50 in profit. I want to go down to the 1 minute time frame, kind of see what's going on. As you guys can see, it's having a little bit of resistance. It's starting to pull back this way. After this, we can do 30, we can do 3 of 10, or we can simply put 30. But I've noticed that as we start to progressively put more positions, it's actually better to put individual positions. So we'll just click it 3 times. We'll see about that. So $3.50 if we get this one. And there we go. We made $3.50. Not the most exciting of trades, but I'm trying to show you guys the simplicity of trading. If you are trading and you don't know what direction it's moving, then that's a perfect indicator that you're risking too much and you probably shouldn't be trading. So always when you're trading, like make sure you know what direction the the market's moving. If there's a lot of traders on the platform, if it's being manipulated. All right, so let's see. I'm going back to the candlesticks. I'm looking at the 5 minute chart. Looking at the 1 minute chart, looks like it's pulling back a little bit. I want to kind of zone out a little bit. I like to start my trades around 4 to 3 minutes before expiry. So always looking at the 5 minute chart, kind of trying to see what's really going on. Right here, you see that it popped up, came back down, it pushed pretty hard. It's coming back up. So this is pretty interesting to me. I want to see what's really going on. If you do after a few honestly after a few years of trading, you start to get the feel for what's going on in the markets, so it definitely helps you. Okay, all right, and this is my live account. Obviously I have a big funded account, so this is nothing to the account, nothing these earnings are nothing to brag about, but all right, I'm not liking this anymore. It's pretty flat. I can tell that it's being like it's having a hard time determining what direction to go, and it's definitely being manipulated. I think there's just not a lot of traders right now. Okay, AUD CAD, AUD Japanese yen. This one looks pretty good. It's pretty flat up there, but this would be a perfect. Let's see, got rejected, got rejected. It's most likely going to continue to be rejected. So let's try this, right? I see a bunch of rejection up top. This is a perfect, you're trying to use right statistics, you're trying to use probabilities of what's going to happen next. Obviously, you want to choose what direction is the most probable, the best outcome. So I'm going to do this. Always when you place a position, you start to see what happens, what's the reaction, right? So I put a down position, it came back up, right? You see that little push up? So that's going to help determine what we're going to be doing next, right? We're not always going to be doing the same, like saying like, oh, it's going to continue going down, going down, going down, going down. That would be gambling, right? You're just saying, oh, it's just going to continue, continue, continue. No, you're going to see that sometimes you're going to just continue to lose positions if you continue in the same direction. Sometimes you need to give it a little bit of room, a little bit of breathing space for the market to do its thing. All right, the next position, I'm going to put $10. Even if we win this, I'm going to put $10 down. I kind of have an idea what's going to happen. As you guys see, it came back down this way, got rejected. All right. It's pretty flat too. All right, we're going to put $10 on the downside. This will give us $3.70 profit, bring us up to like $7 an hour. In about we're about 12 minutes into the video, kind of wasted time earlier in the video, you know, getting this video started, but we shall see what's going on. Yeah, so $5, $10, $3.70. But now imagine if you went from $5 to $20, right? $20 will give you like $16 return, $11 profit. Let's say you do 3 successful trades, gets you about $33 to $36 an hour. That's pretty awesome, working from home and earning that amount of money. And if you're involved with instantstocktrader.com, when you'll be in touch with me, and you'll also be receiving 3 times the funds when you're withdrawing with us. So we definitely are looking out for you. So we won that trade. I'm looking for the next opportunity. 5 minutes. Hikanashi is what I'm looking at right now. I'm looking at the candles. I see rejection. I also see this level over here. I see this level over here. Once it starts going in this range, we might see a little bit of rejection, hard rejection. So let's go back to Hikanashi, just keeping that in mind. See that level and this level right here, you can kind of see it. Okay. So actually, let's start at 10, right? Let's start at 10. Let's get a little bit more risky. Let's pretend that you guys have like a $200 or $300 account. So we're going to be waiting until it hits the 4-minute mark. And a lot of you guys are probably going to be asking me, like, why do I wait for 4 minutes? Well, I'm going to tell you something. When you wait a minute at least, or you wait 2 minutes, you actually start to see where the true direction is. And if it goes against you, you can determine that that there's a lot of fluctuality. No, that's not the right word. There's a lot of like controversy, basically. It might be that the platform, sorry, it might be the broker that is actually going against you. So that'd be a good moment to like kind of like step out, maybe change currency, look for another opportunity, and place a trade. It's a lot of information for anyone who is new to trading. I know it's a lot of information. All right, 4 minutes, putting the down position. And just so you guys know, anyone from the United States, this is not allowed. This brokerage is not allowed in the US. I do trade from the US, but we work directly with people in the brokerage that we've worked before, and they allow us to verify accounts and allow us. It's just a good relationship with them. I don't make money off of the referrals. I actually don't refer them. I just trade on their platform. But on instastocktrader.com, I mean, obviously we use their brokerage. It's just one way of teaching how to trade. I do trade with Nadex. That's a different, brokerage, but um, I mean, I don't really promote them. All right, it's about to expire. I'm going to put another down position. All right, we made $8.70, and I think we're about $15 in profit, $16 in profit. For a small account, that's pretty good. And we've been trading for 15 minutes, so it's like $1 an hour. We're going towards like $60 an hour. I don't know how many people make $60 an hour. So it's a great strategy for anyone that's disciplined, anyone that's patient, anyone who wants to make a quick buck, gas money. Definitely, this can be a life changer if you kind of understand direction, momentum, probabilities. If you trade with us on Instastock Trader, it'll definitely limit your risk. It'll definitely give you that training that you need, and especially when you're involved with us in the platform, um, it'll help you grow and learn without risking funds. And plus, you get rewarded, right? All right, so we're down to the 2 minute. I'm not going to be placing a trade. I don't like to place trades after two wins, 4 minutes and 3 minutes. And when you get down to the 2 minute, it becomes more risky because the positions that you put down, it extends that candlestick. Uh, oh my goodness, sorry. It extends the candlesticks, and the probabilities of you winning becomes minimal. So I'm trying to teach you guys the right way to trade and not push it to the limit, right? So we are up, right? We are up like $16 or I think more. So let's wait for the next opportunity. Actually, no, that's another win. That brings us up to like 23 or $24. All right. I'm excited to announce the new winners. Hopefully the Bitcoin address doesn't like push people away. It's perfectly safe, nothing to be worried about. Just, you're going to be sharing an address where people can send you money. That's it. No one can withdraw money, so it's completely safe. Um, yeah, I mean, it really comes down to your openness, right? Um, and I mean, honestly, without risk, there's no reward, but there's obviously no risk. So, I mean, it kind of has to do with trading. If you're going to be trading like on these type of platforms, a lot of brokers nowadays, they accept Bitcoin. A lot of places in the world accept Bitcoin. And I'm going to be showing you guys Bitcoin transactions to the winners. So a little bit of proof so that you guys are with me, and you guys see all the withdrawals and all the proof that you guys need. I hope you guys like, trading, and you guys like to make extra money from home. Instant Stock Trader, I'm gonna keep pushing it. InstantStockTrader.com. It helps you guys out learning how to trade. I always wish kind of that people taught me how to trade. And you don't learn just by being taught. You learn by actually, trading. So if you have a $100 account that you're trading with, let's say on Quotex, right? Um, if you make $20 and you want to withdraw, that's what, like $60, right? If you make $80, if you want to withdraw, that's $240 that we're going to give you. If you want to withdraw $200 from Kotex, it's actually $600 that we're going to be giving you. Um, if you want to withdraw $100, that's $300 that we're going to give you. Um, I don't know where I already. Oh my god, that's my brain of thought. But if you let's just say that you go big, right? You make $1,000. We will pay you $3,000 to reward you, and hopefully that you make the right decisions with that money, put it back in or invest it in something else, or learn how to trade NADEX, or learn how to trade penny stocks. Or there's so many opportunities out there when it comes to trading. It's definitely life changing. Without risk, there's no reward. But definitely instantstocktrader.com. It's made for people just like you and me that know something or know nothing about trading. But it encourages you to kind of like push yourself a little bit. And there you go, $10. I'm actually gonna bump it up to 20. I see a perfect opportunity. I think this will be our last win. All right, so 20. We're at 53 seconds. All right. Let's see if we get this one. If we don't, then I have a strategy. I want to see this from the 1 minute time frame. Sorry, you guys can probably hear my dogs in the background. Yeah, I think it's going to push down. All right. So what we're going to do, I'm going to put 50 right at the expiry. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 50. Okay. So if we get that one, it'll give us $93.50 back. That's how much is that? $43.50. So $23.50 reward for putting that position in. So it'll cover our loss and it'll give us a little bit of profit. So we're at a minute 25, minute 21, minute 20. So I want to switch back to candles. I want to see what's really going on. Yeah. 5 minutes. Okay. Oh, and I got it. Okay, perfect. I was about to do something. Okay, well, that's good enough for today. I don't want to teach you guys a different strategy if I don't have to. So I think we made like 60 something or $80 in a matter of 22 minutes. So if you have a small account, this is the perfect strategy. I don't know what to call it. Honestly, like I just teach people different strategies and people can call it whatever they want, right? It's just a strategy. But basically you multiply, right? You go from 5 to 10 to 20 to 50 to 100. But you put a cap, right? Your maximum loss. $100 is my maximum loss. I have a $500 account. That's the way to go. That's the way to build it. That's how you learn what trades to choose, how to trade, when to trade, and so. That's how you begin, and that's how you start learning how to trade, what risk to take, and that's how you grow. Honestly, that's how you grow. That's how you go from like a $2,000 account to a $10,000 account to a $25,000 account, and that's what I keep doing. I just bring in a small account, turn it into a bigger account, and so on. All right, you guys. So if you guys watch to the very end, make sure that you guys comment down below. Make sure that you guys get the code underneath down below. It should be in the description. And I'm trying to make it as easy as possible for you guys to enter the giveaways. It's going to be a code in every single video. It's only going to be allowed for the same day, for the video before the winner is announced. So yeah, I mean, I thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, I hope we grow. I hope we, grow as a community. I hope you guys appreciate the giveaways. And yeah, until next time, you guys hold strong.